Hi, my name is Christy Spangler, and I am sharing about my career plan and educational goals with you today. My goal is to be a clinical mental health therapist. There are various reasons why I chose this career path. I like this because it is working with people who have mental health struggles who want to learn to overcome it. I also chose this because it's also in the field of social work. So I am passionate about both. Some of the duties that would be involved with being a clinical mental health therapist would be working at an opiate addiction treatment center, which is the type of facility I would like to work at. I would regularly meet with patients who are receiving medical treatment and need psychological treatment as well to overcome their mental struggles along with their addiction. And I have come to believe that there is a strong connection or a tie between both drug addiction as well as mental health struggles. Oftentimes, I believe many of these people who have mental struggles turn to substances to cope and deal with these pains and emotional pains and struggles that they have. So I am passionate about both. The required education for this, I contacted an opiate addiction treatment center that I used to work for a number of years ago as a front office staff, and I talked with someone in their facility and asked what the minimum degree required, and she said it was a bachelor's degree as a minimum, but it is encouraged and recommended to have a master's degree, which is my end goal, at least as a minimum. I'm also considering a PhD, which will take several more years. The relation of my education to my 4-year degree. For my bachelor's, I'm working towards my marriage and family studies degree, mainly because that is what is offered at BYU Idaho online, and is as close to a psychology degree that I can get. I also feel like with this degree, I'm still learning a lot in psychology as well as in social work. So this will be beneficial to me. And then after that, I will more clearly define whether I want to do psychology or social work, or maybe both if I can't decide. This is a picture with my husband, Scott. We just had this taken last month. We have a daughter getting married in a week and a half at our house, and we got together as a whole family, got pictures taken. But I kind of like this picture with my husband, so this is why I chose to do this one. Why I'm majoring in psychology. I want to be a professional in this field. I have since I was in high school, which was 20 some odd years ago. I want to be able to help people, and I think it would be and has been already a great learning experience for me. I can grow in various aspects of understanding life and my personal and developmental skills, just social skills, life skills, and emotionally as well. It's beneficial in many ways, including with my family. Why I'm majoring in psychology compared to reasons listed in Chapter 13, I actually feel like there was a big connection between some of those reasons. One of them, which I know is a common one, is because I wanted to be a professional. And for personal growth, I think was also discussed in Chapter 13 as well. To understand myself better, to understand people better. So I would say it is very similar in both ways. So I'm excited to go down this journey and continue on this path as I have done so thus far. Thank you for your time.